Ayan guys, the reason I cut my computer table is because of my sofa bed. So I can open up my sofa bed. So I cut the bottom of my computer table and stuck it in the wall. Ayan. Para hindi siya matumba. And it's because my sofa there is gonna go under it. If you wanna see, I have this, and it's gonna go under. And there we go. Maganda ang aking. That's the reason why I cut the table. Because I have a quite small room. So during the day, I need to put the bed up to make it into a sofa. And push and lock, and I have a sofa. That's it guys. The reason why I cut my computer table, para hindi pa ako kailangan bumili ng another computer table. There you go guys. Lahat kailangan i-built in. Actually, this is a cupboard. If you remember my cupboard during my first place, it was supposed to be standing, but I put it this way so I can put the computers in there. I hope you enjoyed my video. So, hindi siya pantay, pero okay lang. At least nakukuha niya yung TV. I've got a quite small room. There you go. So, I need to make it built in all the time. Ayun.